YouTube. Today we had this beast in. Shout out to the owner for allowing Cash to do his magic. And so this is in for a full ultimate cash shine. The paint isn't bad like you would assume. However, it is bad. I mean, I don't have my light on me right now, but I will have a clip for you guys showing you all the swirls in it. It's not bad, however, it still needs to be clayed. Well, it's super slick. It ain't rough, but I'ma still clay it. As you can see, I already prepped it down with a wash. I did Epic prep wash to get this here all prepped up. And now it's time to go ahead and see what pad and polish combo I'm going to be using to get this here squared away, so that we can go on and put a coating on there. Which coating I'm going to be using right now, I am unsure. However, it will shine and it will be worth it. The boy Cash and peace, love, happiness, and save the manual. This is a manual car, by the way. But again, shout out to the owner for entrusting Cash with this here beast. Let's go. So after one side is complete, look at that gloss. Sheesh. Man, oh man. God damn, talk about mirror, right? Sir, yes sir, look at that glass reflection. Paint correction, that's it. Yes sir. Paint correction. I still have to do the door and this front fender. I did the A-pillar all the way back, did this part, and did the roof. Look at my roof. Look at my roof. Wheels will be off soon, but that's another video. Stay tuned, everybody. Stay tuned. Yes sir, yes sir. Have it all dialed in. Shout out to that's Max Shine all-in-one polish. Yes sir. Have all dialed in. Shout out to Max Shine all into one right there. Did what it did. Now, because the paint wasn't too bad, so all I needed was an all-into-one one step, which I just chose the all-into-one. Shout out to Max Shine yet again. And for the protection on this beautiful thing, we use Opti coating. You know, 5-year. So as long as they come back to Cash, it's gonna stay looking like this. Let me give y'all a walk around, man. How good that thing look. Just glossy. So after it cure, you know the gloss is gonna enhance itself. So you can see the gloss all up here, man. Yes sir. Yes sir, yes sir. Shout out to the LsX and that wicker bill. Sheesh. Yes sir, man. Wheels, like I said, wheels will be a separate video, but those are coming at you real soon. They already clean and coated, so I'ma just clean them all, take them off, re-clean them, and recoat the barrels. That's all he asked to do. He was asked to recoat the barrel. So, yes, man. Sheesh. YouTube, man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed doing these videos for y'all, man. Like I said, I am Cash. That there's a Camaro LsX, to be more specific. We use here that Black Rhino optic coating, 5-year coating. As long as they come back and return the cash for maintenance washes, or they use cash code to any one of the spots where I can get you either a 2-bucket or some ceramic shampoo, you're gonna be good. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video, and if y'all did, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and share that shit to everybody in the world. It's been your boy Cast the Cool Dad saying wheels coming off in 3, 2, 1.